7. Hello, you're there with me?
Yes.
Yeah. Copy the problem. 2 log 6 by 7 plus 1 by 2 log 81 plus log 196 divided by 27. That you need to prove as log 12. Please take it. It is a simple one. A simple problem. You try it. Copy the problem. LHS is equal to RHS is equal to log 12. That you need to work. Just 2 or 3 steps enough. You will get the answer. Please check it. Got the answer? Got it? Understood, Sumaid? It's simple. Only one law we are applying. That's it.
Understood. Like it's simpler than the last problem.
Very
Like
simple. Very easy.
here, basically, we like switched the n log m to the base a law, right, sir?
Yeah.
Like we taken as log m to the power of n to the base a instead of like.
Yes. We are using the formula in the reverse direction.
Yeah, sir.
See, 2 log 6 by 7. Okay, you are writing it as 6 by 7 to the power of 2. Okay. That is n log m. I am using n log m as log m whole to the power of n. Right? Hello?
Yeah, sir.
And
Got it.
yeah, log 81 by 16, 1 by 2 is there. Because the 1 by 2, that becomes whole thing under root. Root 81 by root 16. Root 81 by 16 is 9 by 4. and 196 by 27. This is log m plus log n log p. This is log m into n into p. Okay, extending this log m plus log n formula. Not for 2, it is for 3 now. Like log a b c is equal to log a plus log b plus log c. Got it? And that becomes 63504 by 5292. Okay, that is 12. And if you simplify the constant, you will get log 12. Understood? Any questions?
No question, sir.
Shall I continue to the next one? Good. Anybody facing any problem? Preeti, Akhilesh, Anusha, Chaitra, Charan, Mayur, Moksha, Nagadanush.
Yes, sir. Done with it, sir.
Okay, done with it. Shall I go to the next one?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Preeti,
Yes, sir.
Moksha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to the next
Yes,
one.
sir. You can go ahead, sir.
Yeah, I'm going. Yes, sure. Take this problem. Log 8 base 16 into log 81 base 8 into log 16 base 81 should be equal to 1. Take this. It's just one step answer. All these things you may get it in section C for 3 or 5 marks. Write down this problem. Prove LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 1. Yeah, right. I think it needs no more explanation. Very simple, one step. I'm making it you use the laws. Okay, at your ease, at your fingertips. Moksha, how is your learning level now with regard to logarithms? You can use the laws, right? Quickly. You can remember the laws quickly. Moksha, compare your day number 1 to the present day.
Yeah, sir.
You can use it easily, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You got this answer as 1?
Yeah, sir. I got it.
Okay. Take the next one. Take the next problem. I go to full screen. Wait. Okay, there is some blurriness in the slide. Is it visible? Copy this problem. You have to prove LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 5 by 2. Prove that LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 5 by 2. It all based on suitable applications. That's it. Application of laws of logarithms. 5 or 6 laws are there and you have to use it rightly. Aptly, you can say. Got the answer? Okay. Good, Sumit. Shall I go to the next one? All of you have solved
No,
it?
one second.
Okay.
One second.
Okay. Please do it. Good man. Yes, Moksha. Moksha, tell me, any problem?
No, sir. By mistake, I unmuted myself, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions I can take now? I'm going to the last part of logarithms. I'm closing it. Chapter 1 is completed. Good. Yeah, we have done with unit 1. Both indices and logarithms have completed. Any questions now? With regard to chapter 1, any questions?
No question, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir. No questions.
No questions at all. Okay, it will be updated. Okay, yeah. Tell me.
Can you take one class extra on this first unit and explain in brief both indices and logarithms, sir?
Okay. What exactly you will tell me? I take the class tomorrow itself. No problem. You tell me what exactly you need. Anybody expecting the same kind of thing? Hello? As Moksha is asking, okay, she's right. I hope so. Okay, there might be some confusions with regard to indices and logarithms. I can take 2 or more extra classes also. No, I don't mind. Okay, anybody else who need it? I'll explain in brief some basic class
Yeah,
and then
sir.
we'll continue.
Just like a revision of both the topics would go good, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It will be good, sir.
It will be good. Fine. Okay. And I'll take revision class tomorrow itself. Okay, I have tomorrow your QT class. Okay, start with the basics of indices and the laws, and I'll okay try to have a comprehensive version of your problems. Okay. One
Yes, sir.
more class for
Thank you,
unit
sir.
number 1.
Thank you, sir.
And if you can do me one favor. You identify the kind of the problems that you are supposed to solve it again. Okay, you have the complete PPT right with you.
Yeah, sir.
Identify the kind of the problem that you need to understand it. Where exactly are feeling the difficulty? Okay, you just mark it, and tomorrow you submit it to me in the class and we'll solve it and explain it once again.
Sure, sir.
Okay, both are indices and logarithms. Any problem of your choice. Any problem of your choice. Okay, even if it is taken from a textbook, from a question paper, from any previous notes, any previous material, doesn't matter. Even if it is not covered in our material here, okay, don't mind. Okay, give me that problem. Okay, we'll solve it in the class. Only thing is that, okay, you need to get that particular problem. Right, Preeti? Moksha?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes.
sir, in the first unit, how many marks will be allotted for the exam, sir?
Totally, logarithms and indices both will be maybe some 20 to 25 marks.
Okay, sir. Sir, what we have solved is this क्या बोलते हैं, question. How many we have solved this question? It will be coming on this only, no, sir? This step
I
only,
said
no?
all these things are taken from your previous question papers.
Yeah, sir. I know, sir, that.
Yeah, all these are taken from your previous papers, and most probably the question papers will be set by referring the previous papers only.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Only
sir.
few numbers will be changing. That's it.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Once I hope so good. If you have the offline classes, I take 1 or 2 classes so that to explain how to use these log tables, log and anti-log tables. Okay, that
Yes, sir.
cannot be done. That cannot be done online. Okay, because that has to be show you manually how to take your log and anti-log kind of things, and okay, that's the right way. And almost 90% you have covered. Okay, there may be a bit of the thing remaining with regard to how to use this log anti-log tables. Okay, that I'll teach you. Okay, certainly we'll have some at least few days of offline classes. Okay, at that time you can take it up. But don't worry, even if it is not there also, you can answer this. Okay, you can take that as a choice if not possible. Right?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
teaching log and anti-log tables using of this Clark's table, there is a chart. Okay, there is a numerical chart, and it is difficult for anyone for that matter to teach you how to use this chart of online. Okay, I need to be present, and you need to be present physically. Okay, face to face. We need to have the discussion, and then I can teach you about this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, okay, we have 33 minutes more, and do you have any specific question to be solved, Moksha, from any of the indices problems? Can you mention it? Can you put it in the chat box? We'll start revision from today itself. Okay, we have another 20 minutes more today. Instead of going to progressions, okay, I'll take 2 more classes addition extra. And you have any specific problem there with you? Moksha or Preeti or anybody else? Any problem of your choice, we'll solve. Hello, can you give it to me? Any problem of your choice, put it in the chat box. Which one? Four x to the power of 4x squared to the power of 3 divided by 2x cubed to the power of 2 plus 6x cubed to the power of 2 divided by 3x squared to the power of 3. Okay, it is very simple. Okay. Can you take this problem, all of you? Please write down this. I'll try to explain this, right? Hello? Shall I go on explaining this, Moksha?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Look at this. The first statement. 4x square. 1 second. Is it visible now? Is it visible to all of you? Is it visible to all of you, the slide?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 4x square to the power of 3 divided by 2x power 3 to the power of 2 plus 6x cubed to the power of 2 divided by 3x square to the power of 3. Okay, we have what is called as the laws of indices. It is a to the power of m to the power of n. It is a to the power of mn. You can use that. Maybe that is the third law or fourth law. You can use that. Now, look at this. It is very simple and very logical. 4 to the power of 3 constant. This power 3 should be applied to both of the constant and the variable. This becomes 4 to the power of 3 and x to the power of 2 power of 3. Look at this. Moksha, you're observing this. 4 power
Yes, sir.
3. 3 is coming to the 4 as well as to the x.
X. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, similarly, this 2 power 2 into x to the power of 3 to the power of 2. This 2 is coming to the constant also, 2 square. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
x to the power of 3 to the power of 2. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah. Now come to this the other side. 6x cubed to the power of 2. This becomes 6 square as it is. And this becomes x to the power of 3 to the power of 2 as usual. Okay. You have applied the right
Yes, sir.
formula. AB to the power of 3 is equal to a to the power of 3 into b to the power of 3. Like this, you can
Yes,
do.
sir.
Yeah. Now 3x square to the power of 3. This is 3 to the power of 3. Again, x to the power of 2 power 3. Got it? Understood? Hello? Moksha?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 4 power 3, you can okay, you can take it as directly as a constant 64, no problem. Okay, you can directly solve it by using calculator, and this becomes x to the power of 6. And 2 square is nothing but 4. And in the numerator it is 64, in the denominator it is 4, and x power 6 and x power 6. And here this becomes 36 and this becomes 9. 36 divided by 9. Don't go for this method. You can use directly the calculators because no more variables will be remaining. Okay. The problem of taking LCM can be minimized. You can use your calculators directly. 64 divided by 4 plus 36 divided by 9. That is 64. 1 second. 64 divided by 4 plus, okay, what is the other one there? Can you tell me? 64 divided by 4 divided by plus 36 divided by 9. Use your calculator and simplify it. Don't go for this difficulty of taking LCM. Avoid it. Understood? Moksha? 64 divided by 4 is 16.
Yes,
Plus
sir.
36 by 9 is how much? 4, right?
Or yes, sir.
Yeah, the final answer is 20. Is the same answer you are getting? We did a lot of complications in the last stage of simplification. Till 3 steps it's okay. After that, you did all a messed up, created chaos. We call it as mathematical chaos. Mathematical chaos. You got the answer 20? Hello, Sumed, is it right, man? Nagadonush?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is 20, right? I have taken the constants directly and simplified by using a simple calculator. Is it right, Moksha? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Try to get the thing simplified. Don't make it complicated. Understood?
Yes, sir.
As you move on, towards solving the mathematical problem, step by step, you should get things easy. You should not do the otherwise. Things should reduce. You should make the complications to reduce. You should not increase by increasing the steps. But you did the otherwise there. All no complications you did, and it's a simple answer, and it is 20. All of you have got the answer. Hello. Any other questions? Any other queries you need? Any other problems you need to solve? Put it to the chat box. Tomorrow also I'll take revision. Day after also I'll take revision. This whole week I'll take the revision, and then next week we'll start with progression. Only thing is you need to select the questions and give it to me. Anybody in the group can select the question and give it to me. Hello? You want, you can refer to the previous question papers. It's already there in the library link, and probably might be having all the links or any other questions on the textbook. Okay, you are most welcome, and give it to me, we'll solve. Hello?
Yes, sir. Will do.
Yeah. Any other questions that you would like to give it to me now? Preeti, do you have any question? Sumed, Nagadanush, Hita, Charan. Any question, man? Chaitra? Manu?
No, sir.
No questions. That's fine. Sumedh, you have any question, man? Sumedh? Sumedh, do you have any question? Okay, Moksha is sending some picture. Wait. This you need to solve, huh? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. What's our time now? How much time we have still?
Sir, still 15 minutes.
We have still 15 minutes. Okay. Probably we may not solve it within the time. We need some more time. Minimum 30 minutes we need. I try to explain it and we'll solve it tomorrow. Leisurely. Completely.
Okay,
I'll
sir.
try to explain the concept today. Okay. 1 second. Yeah. All of you look at the problem. Sumedh, you're there, man? Hello? Sumedh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, write down this problem, all of you. Yes, I agree. There is some complication in this. Root p x to the power of n into root x to the power of m by p into eighth root of x by x to the power of n divided by eighth root of sorry, this is qth root of x to the power of minus m into x to the power of n minus 1 into x to the power of m plus 1. Write down this problem. Copy this problem, Moksha. I'll explain it. Need not to worry. It's very simple. I'll try to make it as simple as possible. Only for
Sure,
your
sir.
sake. For your sake, I'll
Thank you,
make this
sir.
problem as simple as possible. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
Copy the problem. Now, have you copied the problem?
Yeah, sir. Done.
Yeah. There is a rule called as nth root of a is equal to a to the power of nth root of a is equal to a to the power of 1 by n. You know this formula?
Yes, sir. I know.
Yeah. Now, this will become x to the power of n divided by p. Look at this. Pth root of x to the power of n. Hello? Pth root. You can say square root, you can say cube root, you can say fourth root. P could be anything. Generally, we say pth root of x to the power of n. You can write this as x to the power of n, okay, into 1 by p. That 1 by p is because of this root. Understood?
Following, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this becomes x to the power of n by p. N into 1 by p, that is n by p. Now x to the power of m by p. Now x to the power of this becomes n by q. Qth root of x to the power of n. That is x to the power of n divided by q. Understood?
Yes, sir. Got this step.
Yeah. Now go to the denominator. X to the power of minus m by q. Minus m you keep as it is. This root q becomes 1 by q. X to the power of minus m by q. Now x to the power of n minus 1. X to the power of m plus 1. Okay. Understood?
Yeah, sir. Understood this step.
Yeah. From next step onwards, okay, you did some, I hope so, some wrong calculations, taking of wrong LCM and all. I'll try to explain it tomorrow. The thing is, here, this is x to the power of m into x to the power of n into x to the power of p. That becomes x to the power of m plus n plus p. You can apply the law. A to the power of m into a to the power of n into a to the power of p. If you say, that becomes a to the power of m plus n plus p. There's a law, right? Hello? A to the power of m into
Yes.
a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can extend it to 3 terms.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, now this becomes x to the power of n by p plus m by p plus n by q. You got it? X to the power of n by p plus m by p plus n by q. Similarly, divided by x to the power of minus m by q plus n minus 1 plus m plus 1. Hello? You have to just stop there and the rest we'll discuss it tomorrow. Either Nagadanush or Sumed or Srikanth will help me in taking the LCM. Nagadanush? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are there with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I need this to be solved, okay, by taking proper LCM and the final answer. Can you do it for me?
I'll try it, sir.
Okay. And I'll assign this also for to Sumed. Sumed, you are there?
Yes, sir. I'm right here.
Yeah, you are there and you have to take this and solve it for me, taking LCM.
Sir, right now, right?
Not right now, tomorrow.
Fine, sir.
Okay, it's time up now. Srikanth? Srikanth?
Yes, sir.
Srikanth,
Sir, I
you are
have
there?
sent the solution, sir.
You have already completed it.
Yeah, sir.
Okay,
I
I
have
mean,
took the LCM and solved the problem.
okay, fine then. If that is the case, tomorrow, okay, it will be your first turn to say, explain this with solution
Fine,
and the
sir.
steps. Okay.
I'll do it. I'll do it, sir.
Okay, fine then. Moksha, we'll solve it completely tomorrow and stop at this stage now. Okay, we need
Sure,
some more
sir.
time to discuss it and we'll complete it tomorrow.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. And you have any of such problems with certain complications, identify them. Okay. Okay. Give it to me and we'll solve it together.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. There are so many of your friends who can help you and including me. No problem. Don't worry at all. Hello?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Shall I close? Shall I close?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Srikanth's answer is here. Srikanth, anyway, keep this answer with you. Tomorrow you need to explain this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'm just stop the recording. Fine.